Hello friends! Look what I found! Shape surprise eggs! Let's open them and learn shapes together. Whoa, here comes a glowing red egg. What shape do you think is hiding inside? Round and round, it's a circle, like a ball. A bright yellow egg, I see pointy corners. What shape could be hiding inside this time? Yum! A triangle, just like a pizza slice. Look, a green egg with 4 sides. What shape could it be? Wow, a square like a present box. Ooh, this egg is sparkling. What shiny shape could it be? It's a diamond, a sparkly gem, wow. Here comes a purple egg that sparkles like the sky. What shape do you think it is? Wow, it's a star, shining bright like magic. Oh no, the shape eggs are mixed up. Can you remember which shape is which? Which egg has the triangle? Let's find it together. Let's see. Circle, triangle, square, diamond, and star. You did it! Let's count our shapes, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job, friends! You found all the surprises and learned shapes and colors. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun adventures on Kiwi Groove.